God, this thing scares me. It's Daddy and Mommy's gift to her for Christmas. And it's remote control. Daddy's controlling it. There it goes.
I bought this new friend.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay. There it goes. Struggling. It's struggling. What? Pay attention, pay attention. Woohoo! Oh, you're a good driver, Mama. Good driver. Oh, she's a good driver.
The wheel moves when I turn it.
I know, that's so cool.
Was that Peter or was that Chris?
Yeah, that's so cool.
When I turn it, it moves the steering wheel.
Oh, that's so cool. Slinky. You better watch it, Slinky. That's cool how you get to control it with the controller. Ooh!
Now I know.
Where'd you get this on?
Now
Amazon?
I know who's controlling it.
Did you get this on Amazon?
Yeah.
How much was it?
Like 150.
150 on Amazon, guys. That's nice. With the remote control. That is so cool. You get to control it. What is it called? It's a Jeep, right?
Looks like a Jeep.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
That's pretty cool.
All-wheel drive.
Wow, look at it.
I think it's a toy for both of them. I think it's a toy for Peter and
I know. See if it'll go on the rocks. See if it'll go on the rocks. No? The strain. Oh yeah, it does. There it goes. Nice little Jeep for $150 on Amazon. Super cool. Let's see here. Gotta give it a little push. Okay, go for it. It just got stuck on that thing right there. There we go. Oh, see? It goes on grass too, guys. That's pretty cool. That's a wonderful gift to my mamas. What? What happened? I know that's what. Oh, you press the button? Oh, there's a bee. Don't press button, Mama. There you go. Yeah, take your foot off of it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And the wiggle, 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 wiggle. You want to go? Okay. All right.
Come on, Mommy.
Go. Dang, it's heavy. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, I don't do too well on the grass. So it does really good on the cement. Ready? Woohoo! Woohoo! Thinking like, what's that? Look, Grandma. Cheese. What's Slinky? Oh, I'm your grandma too. Yes, I love you too. Yeah, I love you too.
Oh, okay, cool.
What?
You could play music on it too. I'm trying to
Really? Wow, even plays music?
Does it
Wow.
have much runtime?
don't press anything.
Don't press anything, Mama. Don't do that, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta wait. Give Daddy a minute, okay?
Awesome.
That is
at
way
you.
cool. Woo woo. Oi! What?
So it's got Bluetooth.
Oh wow! It's music too with the Bluetooth. That's so cool. See, guys, this is a nice gift to give. I'm giving you guys a little review here. My son bought it off of Amazon for $150 plus tax, of course. Look at her, she's already dancing with Lady Gaga. That girl. Yeah. Look at her. Look at her go. Woo woo. Even the horn, everything. Beep 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 beep. That was a cutie.
Try to run me
Cutie patootie. Cutie patootie. Huh, Mama? She's like, okay, what's going on here?
She's hitting the horn.
Where's the horn at? Are you pressing the horn or she is?
Oh, you gotta be careful.
You have insurance? We're pulling you over for speeding.
Speeding.
Did these turn on? Did these back ones turn on?
Look
No? I was gonna
at
say.
that. That's so cool.
Oh, is
Look
it?
at that.
I can't tell. It almost looks like
It's a
that there's...
beauty right there, guys. So if you're interested, Amazon for $150. Daddy bought it. Jasmine for
It's got
Trinity.
side mirrors.
How cute little. Nice. Look at that.
Oh my god!
She's even got the attitude and everything right now.
Ah, stop it. You ran over mommy. Look at her. Look at her.
Oh my lord.
Do it, Mama. Do it.
Oh, she's trying to... What's she doing on her own? Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel.
Lost control. Lost control of the vehicle. Lost control of the vehicle. Oh. Oops. You gotta be careful. Yeah, careful, mamas. Can't crash.
She'll learn here.
She'll learn.
She already knows to push the pedal to go forward. You just need to turn the wheel.
There you go. All right, guys. Bye. Say bye.